finding arc length of a curve. So, let's say meron tayo ulit na function. So, ito yung curve f of x natin. Ngayon, paano natin kinukuha yung measurement ng arc length nito, no? So, from this limit of integration from a to b, paano natin kinukuha yung arc length nito? So, ano ba yung formula na ginagamit natin dyan? So, ang formula na ginagamit natin dyan, arc length is equal to integration from a to b square root of 1 plus dy over dx squared times dx. So, kung mapapansin nyo, in terms of x yung ginagamit natin. So, pag in terms of x, ang limit ng integration natin nasa x-axis, which is a tsaka yung v, from a to b. So, paano naman kapag in terms of y? So, dy yung gagamitin natin. So, let's say, ito pa rin yung curve na ginagamit natin. So, ang magiging limit ng integration natin from c to d. Okay? So, nasa y-axis. Ibig sabihin, mag-approximate tayo sa y-axis. So, ang gagamitin natin ay dy. So, arc length is equal to integration from c to d square root of 1 plus dx over dy squared times dy. Okay, so bakit dx over dy? Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, nung in terms of x ang ginamit natin, yan ay y is equal to f of x. So, kung in terms of y ang gagamitin natin, ang magiging function natin, equate natin by x. So, magiging x is equal to f of y. Okay, so malinaw yun. So, itong formula na ito, itong part na ito, na-derive yan galing sa second line. So, i-discuss natin yan sa klase natin, yung derivation nito. So, for now, kabisaduhin nyo muna itong formula na ito, then magbigay tayo ng mga examples. Okay, example number 1, find the length of the line segment given by the equation y is equal to 6x plus 3 from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 7. So, mapapansin nyo, pwede rin natin siyang gamitin sa mga line, no? Okay, hindi lang sa curve. So, at mapapansin nyo din na yung magiging limit of integration natin nasa x-axis from 1 to 7, okay? So, pag in-wrap nyo ito, ganito yung magiging itsura niyan, ha? 1, 2, 3, okay? So, ganyan, pataas yung magiging graph niyan. Tapos, since ang limit natin from 1 to 7, so ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ang length na hinahanap natin dito. From this point to this point. So, ito ang hinahanap natin. Ano daw yung length ng line na yan? So, kung mapapansin nyo, di ba, in terms of x, tas ang interval natin nasa x-axis. So, ang gagamitin natin na formula, yan ay length is equal to integral from a to b square root of 1 plus dy over dx squared times dx. Okay. So, ang value ng y natin, yan ay 6x plus 3. Then, pag kinuha natin yung derivative nito, yan ay magiging equal sa 6. Pagkatapos, pag in-square natin yung buong ito, yan ay magiging dy over dx squared, okay, is equal to 36. So, ang limit ng integration natin from 1 to 7, so ito yon. So, length is equal to integration from 1 to 7 square root of 1 plus 36. Dahil ito, yung dy over dx squared is equal to 36, no? Times dx. Okay, so pag in-evaluate natin ito, so ito ay magiging square root of 37, di ba? So, integral ng square root of 37 dx, yan ay square root of 37x from 1 to 7. So, pag in-evaluate natin yan, square root of 37 times. So, higher value, 7 minus lower value, which is 1. So, ang magiging final answer natin dito, yan ay 7 minus 1, yan ay 6 square root of 37. So, ito yung magiging length na to. 6 times square root of 37. Ito yung length na tinutukoy natin. Okay, example number 2, find the arc length of the curve y is equal to x raised to 3 half from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 5. So, kung i-graph natin yung function na ito, so, ganito yung magiging itsura niya, no? So, yan ay y is equal to x raised to 3 half. Ngayon, kung mapapansin natin, ang interval natin nasa y-axis. So, ibig sabihin, from 0, which is yung C, to D. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito yung D natin. Yung length na hinahanap natin, simula sa point na ito hanggang dito. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung function natin na gagamitin in terms of y. Bakit? Kasi yung interval natin nasa y-axis. So, ibig sabihin, sa halip na y is equal to f of x ang gagamitin natin ay x is equal to f of y. So, since meron tayong function na ito, paano natin gagawin equate natin by x? So, y is equal to x raised to 3 over 2. Pwede nating erase yung buong yan sa 2/3. Okay? So, magiging y raised to 2/3 is equal to x. Okay? So, ang value ng x natin yan ay y raised to 2/3. So, ngayon, ano yung formula na gagamitin natin? Arc length is equal to integral from c to d square root of 1 plus dx over dy squared times dy. Okay? So, hanapin natin yung dx over dy. So, derivative na to, yan ay dx over dy is equal to 2/3 times y raised to 2/3 minus 3 over 3. So, ang dx over dy natin equal sa 2/3 times y raised to negative 1/3. So, ngayon, try natin na square na natin agad, no? Dito. So, ang dx over dy squared natin equal sa 2 over 3 times 2 over 3, yan ay 4 over 9 times y raised to negative 2/3. So, ito na yung isa-substitute natin sa formula. Okay? So, arc length is equal to integration from 0 to 5 square root of 1 plus ito, 4 over 9 y raised to negative 2/3 dy. Okay, so paano natin makukuha yung integral nito? So, pwede natin gawin, i-factor out muna natin itong 4 over 9 times y raised to negative 2/3. So, anong mangyayari? So, pag finactor out natin ito, ang matitira sa loob ay, so ito, i-divide natin, 1 divided by 4 over 9 times y raised to negative 2/3, yan ay equal sa 9 over 4 y raised to 2/3. Okay? Tapos ito, pag dinivide natin ito dito, magiging positive 1 na lang yan, no? So, ito, pwede nating paghiwalayin. Okay? So, arc length is equal to integral from 0 to 5 square root of 4 over 9 y raised to negative 2/3 times square root of, ito, so 9 over 4 y raised to 2/3 plus 1 dy. So, bakit natin pinaghiwalay? Kasi pwede nating makuha yung square root nito. So, arc length is equal to 2 over 3 y raised to negative 1/3. Okay, times square root nito. So, 9 over 4 y raised to 2/3 plus 1 dy. Okay, so kung ililet u natin itong nasa loob ng radical, so let u is equal to 9 over 4 y raised to 2/3 plus 1. Ang derivative niyan, yan ay 9 over 4 times, ito yung derivative na to, which is 2/3 raised to, times y raised to 2/3 minus 3 over 3, okay? dy. So, ang magiging du natin yan ay, cancel to. So, magiging 3 over 2. So, yan ay y raised to negative 1/3 dy. Okay, so pwede nating i-multiply by 2/3 both side para matanggal ito, no? So, magiging 2 over 3 du is equal to y raised to negative 1/3 dy. Okay, so para saan ba itong mga u substitution natin? So, kung mapapansin nyo, ito pwede nating ilabas yung 2 over 3, no? From 0 to 5, di ba? Kung mapapansin nyo, yung y raised to negative 1/3 dy, di ba equal yan dito? So, ito, wala na yung 2/3 sa loob. Nilabas na natin dito. So, ibig sabihin, yan ay magiging equal sa 2 over 3 du. Tapos, kung mapapansin nyo, yung nasa loob ng radical natin, yan yung nilet u natin. So, times square root of u. Pero, yung magiging interval natin, hindi na natin gagamitin yung 0 tsaka yung 5. Bakit? Kasi nag-let u tayo. So, evaluate natin yung bagong value natin ng a tsaka b. So, paano? So, a of 0 doon sa nilet u natin, which is 9 over 4 times y. So, yan ay magiging 0 raised to 2/3 plus 1. So, magiging bagong value ng y natin, yan ay 0 times 9 over 4, 0 plus 1. So, yan ay 1. Okay, so ito yung bagong value ng a natin. So, ang bagong value ng b natin, since ang ginamit natin kanina ay 5, so, evaluate natin yan. 9 over 4 times 5 raised to 2/3 plus 1. Okay, so gamitin natin yung calcu kasi wala namang square root, cube root ng 5, no? Okay, so 9 over 4 times 5 raised to 2/3 plus 1. So, approximately, ang bagong value ng b natin, yan ay 7.5790. Okay. So, evaluate natin ito, yung integral nito. So, 2/3 times 2/3 yan ay 4 over 9. Tapos, yung bagong limit ng integration natin, from 1 to 7.579. So, from 1 to 7.579. Tapos, yung nasa loob ng integral natin, yan ay square root of u du, or simply u raised to 1/2 du. Okay? So, ngayon, 4 over 9. Tapos, yung integral nito, yan ay u raised to 3/2 over 3/2 from 1 to 7.579. So, mapapansin nyo, ito, 4 times 2, magiging 8 na ito. Tapos ito, 9 times 3, yan ay 27. Tapos, yung evaluate natin, yan ay u raised to 3/2. So, yung upper value, which is 7.579 raised to 3/2 minus 1, okay, 1 raised to 3/2. So, ano yung magiging final answer natin dito? So, evaluate natin. So, 8 over 27 times 7.579 raised to 3/2 minus 1 raised to 3/2, yan ay 1 din. Okay, so, ang magiging final answer natin, yan ay 5.8859, no? Approximately. 5.8859. So, itong measurement na ito yung arc length na tinutukoy natin. 5.8859. Ito yan.